So let's continue from previous. Now I want to do a load flow, and after doing the load flow, the distribution of the voltage in different buses will be different according to the line drops. So for that, I want to do the load flow in a particular snapshot of the time. So for that, in PyPsa, I will do power flow equals network dot pf, and I want to specify a particular instant of time because the load is changing in different instant of time, and we have specified it in the load as different in different times. So for this, I have to specify the snapshot. Okay, so for that, it would be snapshot equals to network dot snapshots, and network dot snapshot, let's say at time 30 snapshot, and it will do the power flow, and power flow has been already converged in one iteration, very small error, so power flow has been converged. Now I want to plot the okay, so I want to plot the first, let's plot the voltage labels. Okay, so for voltage label, I'll do the same thing from here. Okay, same thing from here up to this, initializing the figure, and I just initialize the figure. Okay, so the voltage would be different in different buses. Okay, so I have to specify all the buses, and there are lots of different methods to do this, but I prefer doing a hex bin plot. Okay, so in hex bin plot, first let's plot the network dot plot. I want to plot the first network. So ax equals to ax in ax. I have to specify the bus size also. Bus size is equals to 0. What was that? About 5 zeros. 2. Okay. And if I okay, leave this now, and I want to plot the voltage distribution. So for that, first the network has been plotted. Yes, it will simply plot the just a network, but its size is very old. So if the value is getting very lower, then you can check a factor equals to 1e minus 6, and you can do 0.2 times factor. Still it is getting smaller, then it will do. Okay, so this is the simple network plot. Okay, but the colors in each bus is the same, but I want to specify a different color for different voltage labels in each buses. So for that, I will do another plot. So it could be scatter plot or any other plot you can do, but I will prefer a hex bin plot. Okay, hex bin plot. So for that, I will do plt dot hex bin, and the hex bin first will be network dot buses dot x. Actually, hex bin is the kind of hex bin as a hexagon shape, a symbol, and the x coordinate would be the box coordinate of x box coordinate, and y would be the network dot buses dot y. Yes, and next part is I want to specify the what would be the size of the grid. Okay, so let's say grid size will be about 40. Okay, and So and another thing is, what would be the color? Okay, I want to specify the color. So there would be different color for different bodice labels. So C would be color label would be network dot bosses underscore T dot v mag underscore pu. Actually, after power flow solving, the solve value would be stored in the bosses underscore T, and it would be the v mag pu. Okay, if you check here network dot bosses underscore T, then it has different values, and if you check v mag pu, then it would show different values. Actually, we have just do the power flow for third. Okay, 0 1 2 3, and it has been changed. Okay, so dot log network dot snapshot need to be 3, and the voltage level is changed. So let's put it that bosses be magnitude p pu, and that the location would be, what would be the location? Location would be network dot snapshots, and it would be 3. Yes, and it's has been plotted. If I do so, you can see the change, it has been changed, but the boss has been overlapped there. Okay, so what can you do if you want to remove the bosses from here? Then you can simply increase the size of these, or you can do a simple color map here. If we enable the color map, cmap equals to cm.jt. so what this is showing is the distribution of voltage level in different part of the distribution system. Actually, the voltage is higher here and voltage is lower here, but I want to show the color bar also. So for that color bar, I'll take color bar, and okay, let's plot, and it is showing the color bar here, and you can see this is the high level. Actually, this is the slack bus, and the voltage level is 1 here, but the subsequently the voltage level is decreasing in the in part of the network. So this is the simple plot. Okay, you can do our different methods for showing the distributions. Okay, so okay, this much for today. You can do experiments on the plotting by looking on the documentation of the plottings of the PyPsa. Okay, thank you.